There's somebody at the door! What sort of lock is this called? Just out of curiosity.
Silver.
Shiny lock.
It's a nightmare.
It's a
if you
slam
go,
shut.
Slam shut. There you go. Now the problem is when you're taking your bins out and you're in your knickers and you let you run by one.
Come and knock on my door.
Trick or treat.
No thank you, no leaflets, no takeaway leaflets.
This is lovely. Is that? Oh no, it's 2 dogs.
How old is Hecky?
Is 8.
Oh, he's a good boy.
He is a good boy. It's nice to see what they're meant to look like. Good.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Have you told him?
I told him.
Yeah.
We both went.
They are. Her mate's got a shit dog.
Dog's fault. It's their
It's
fault.
the owner's fault. Yeah, look how good and well behaved he is. He's just chilling out.
He does anything. He does anything.
Yeah.
Oh, he does anything for you, Rosie.
Let's give you a nice head rest. You come here often.
He is gorgeous. Look at him.
Oh, is it Michael playing this game?
Yeah.
It's gotta be, hasn't it?
Yeah. You win every day.
Yeah. Did you come on your scooter last year?
Yeah.
We did.
Yeah. Do you still have your scooter?
I do still have my scooter.
Do you come to work on it or not?
When I've got to leave if I don't leave my house before 12 minutes to 8, then I get my scooter because it takes me about 12 minutes to get my scooter.
That's a good little.
Who's gonna play the game?
Michael.
Michael, we need someone else. Oh no, we don't.
This is they've saved the best game till the last, Michael.
Yeah.
Oh.
I got my lucky cup.
I'd get a glass of water if I were you.
Is he ice cream tasting?
Save you now.
Is it? Oh, he was hoping for that
Ice cream roulette.
one. Yeah. Oh,
Ice
yes.
cream roulette.
We've got 2 songs here. We'll chat with Michael and the team here. Do you want to just stay in here?
Yeah.
And then when we do the game, we'll go out. Yeah? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Super.
Yeah.
I think we'll
How many windows do you sell a week?
We need a box. Okay, you tell us that.
Do you do like online as well, or is it just made?
We sent all over the world.
Do you?
We sent 2 packages to America yesterday.
Did you? 2 windows?
No, it's
No.
2 door handles.
It's spare parts. Spare parts is online, but we sell windows to like the Huddersfield and surrounding area.
Yeah.
But obviously the repair side, that's massive all over the UK. America, I think we've had one to Japan, Korea. We've sent them all over. Yeah, parts, not for windows, but yeah.
Yes, and my cousin was an English teacher in Japan.
picture.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Come on, Hector. Come on, shall we do it next to this nice door here?
Yeah, that's it.
He likes that. That's a bit like your own dog.
Like just with the glass, not with this little marble bit. That's what I'd have. Just so you know for Christmas.
I'll have dog. I'll come out.
I'll let you.